Hi, welcome back. We're migrating Centrify Privileged Access Service from the on-premises architecture into the hyperscalable architecture. And in the previous video, we took the migrated package and we created a new installation from the on-prem migration using this script, right? And at this point, we have a hyperscalable installation, which is a collection of nodes, configuration, and an FQDN that is the central service for privileged access service. The next step is to create a new deployment. A deployment is just a version of it. And if you remember from my planning videos, I make sure that I'm matching the version. So the version is going to be 20.4. And to run this command, all I need is to specify the host name and specify the ID of the installation. And I'm going to choose the naming convention to make it the version. So let's go ahead and do that. So it's going to be a new deployment. So there are some tools here that I should perhaps showcase because this is going to go so fast. One is the get a new deployment. So there's no deployments right now. So if I run this command and I specify the host name, vault, there should be no installations at this point. So there's no currently active deployment at this point. So let's go ahead and create one. And like I said, we specify the host name, which is the service address or FQDN. And then we specify the ID. And that's going to be 20.4. This is going to be handy to identify files and others as well. So this is going to run. And what this command does is that it reads all the configuration and the source binaries and creates a package. This package has to then be distributed from my management server into each of my nodes. And based on the type of node, I'm going to activate those nodes, which deploys the binaries and designates each of the Windows machines in their proper role. So I'm going to pause here, and then when this is done, I'm just going to distribute one file so you guys see. I'm going to do it manually so you can see how easy it's automatable. And then once we have everything copied and unzipped, I'll activate the nodes in a different video. So let's go ahead and pause. Okay, so the program finished unzipping, and let's just do an overview of what was created. So in my management server, you can look into installations. You're gonna see the FQDN here with dots changed by underscores. And you're going to have obviously the configuration and deployments. So this is the deployment that was created, and this is the deployment package, right? So all I need to do is distribute this deployment package to each of the nodes and then unzip them in each location. So I'm just going to do one manual here. This is web 1. So all I'm going to do is copy paste. And when I am in there and the file has been copied, I can just unzip it. And we're going to explore the concepts of the zip file. Let's make sure the copy ended. Okay, it ended correctly. So let's go ahead and extract. And just so you can see a preview of what's inside, basically it is the bits, the configuration, some utilities, and this script. So when we come back in the next video, we're going to activate each node.